this design an easel that I'm going to do for a St. Patrick's Day card on the CNC. I'm going to also try the same design on my scroll saw to see what the comparison would look like. Now it may not be precise because I couldn't figure out how to get easel's design to print for me, so I just found this design in clip art. It looks pretty similar, so we'll see how it turns out. That St. Patty's Day turned out pretty well. That was done on the CNC and then I painted it. And then this side I also did on the CNC. It turned out really pretty. I like that a lot. I'm going to paint this guy next. And I'm going to do this guy on the scroll saw for a comparison. I failed to realize that when you wanted to duplicate some work, you got to remember the sizes. Oops, totally went off the edge there. I'm going to have to cover that up with some green paper and just write Happy St. Patty's Day. Here's the comparison. This is the scroll saw. This is the CNC. Now, I'm not sure which I like better. This is definitely thicker though. Interesting. I think to do a true comparison, I need to try and cut something out like this on the CNC. Something for next time.